Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you guys want to see how I DIY my vintage French style makeup table? Well, stick with me and I'll show you how. So this picture coming up is my Pinterest inspiration. I am really loving this French style makeup table, and then this is what mine look like after I have created it. So we'll go ahead today with I'll just show you around. This is what my makeup area looks like. I made this makeup table almost a year now. This is actually my first DIY here, so I was loving it. I'm still loving it, but I want to create something a little bit more. So I'm just taking off the makeup and stuff that I have on my makeup table, because I need to get them out. I'm just removing the mirror, my light, and all these things that I have here, because I would need a space to work with. So guys, if you want to take on this challenge, just please be very careful when moving stuff around. And then from there, I just use my impact driver just to get the screws out from the wall, because I had attached my makeup table to the wall with some braces because I want it to be strong and sturdy. I am not happy that they're going, but I'm looking forward to my new makeup table. So I'm sure you guys will be really happy to see it as well. Hopefully you are, because I'm happy as well. And guys, I am taking off the wallpaper. Yes, I'm taking it off because it is served long enough. It started to crease and everything, and it wasn't looking that nice anymore. Took me a while to get it off because it was on there for a very long time, and then also it was in a quite bad state under the wall because I forgot how rubbish the wall was. But anyway, I cleared it, prepared it, and then here I'm using silk magnolia paint that I got from B&Q. I'll leave a link in the description box below, just in case you want to buy the paint, not necessarily from B&Q, but if you want to buy the same color. So I'm just getting this wall ready because I'll be going outside next to make my makeup table. So this piece of ply I got from Lawson Timber. They are so nice. They delivered it to me for free, and I paid £19 for it. So I'm quite happy with the results that I'm gonna get from it already, which I've seen. And then this little table, I found it on the side of the road because I need the legs. I was so happy when I found it, because when I looked in Pinterest and look at the legs, I'm thinking, yeah, I need it. So for here, I just measured out the size that I need, and then just go ahead and use my jigsaw that Gabba gave to me, and then just cut it out. Please guys, be very careful if you're using any of these tools that I'm using today. Please be very careful. I'll leave a link in the description box below, just in case if you want to buy the jigsaw. Does not necessarily mean it's from Screwfix, but if you want to buy. And then from there, I'm starting to attach these two sides together. So I've cut the size that I've cut the side that I'll need, and then from there I'm just using braces just to make a rectangle, because this will be where my drawers. I'm talking rubbish, innit? So yeah, this is where my drawer will be. So I'm going to make two of these. So I put some wood glue on there, and then I just use the brace just to hold it in, because I want the glue to dry nice and clean, and I want it to be really nice. So I'm taking my time. It's my first time. And then from there, once I started attaching, I just flipped it over and then just attach some wood screw, because I want it to be strong, as I said to you before, because I intend to keep it for as long as possible. I may need to do some extra work on it, but I still want to keep it. And then from there, I just start attaching the top. As I told you before, I've made two of these rectangle boxes, and then I just attach the top on top of it. And just aligning it here just to make sure everything sits nice. And then again, I just use some wood screw just to get it nice and easy in. And I've actually used Gorilla wood glue, so I'll leave a link in the description box below in case you guys want to buy it. Not necessarily to do a job like this, but any other things that you have that you want to glue together. Trust me, it is really good. And I did this for all the top of the French vintage makeup table. Oh, the name sounds so nice. Yay. Yeah. So I just went around with it and then just make sure it's secure and that it's nice and neat. And then this is what it looks like after I've completed it, and I'll be making my way to sand it down after I put on the legs. So these are the legs that I got off the table. I'm not sure why I'm keeping the table, but either way, I really like the legs. So I just use my little helper Avon just to help me to hold the legs in, and then I just use wood glue and then these screws just to hold it in again. Please comment below who's your little helper, who's always there to help you when you're doing your little DIY or anything around the house. Avon is really like that. Everything I'm doing is always interested to help. So yeah, Avon is my little helper. And then this is what it looks like after I finished putting on the 4 legs. Now I'm going to change the 2 front ones because Gabba just made a very interesting point. So I'll be changing the 2 front legs till the ends, and then you will see what I'm talking about. They look a lot better, so much better. Yeah, there you can see. And then from there I just take my sandpaper and then just start rubbing off the paint that was on the legs. And then also I'll be going over the makeup table because I'll be sanding it down. I want it to be nice and smooth. I don't want it to be having any lumps and bumps, you know, just in case when I'm sitting next to it it's hurting my leg or my arm. I don't want that. I want it to be nice and smooth. So I'm just working this, and trust me, I did work. I worked so hard, my hand started to burn, but it was a good day. I'm really happy. And then this is what it looks like after I've sanded it down. As you can see, it's smooth, so smooth and nice. I went crazy with the sanding. And then from there now I'm going to add this paint. I got this paint actually from Wilko. It is called Mineral Stone, and I paid £10 for it. Now I'll leave a link in the description box below in case you want to buy it, not necessarily from Wilko, but in case you like the color and you want to buy it from another store. And then this is what it looks like, guys, after I've given it 2 coats of paint. Guys, I deserve a thumbs up. Come on, please let me know how far, what do you think of the results so far. I think I deserve a thumbs up. Come on, give me a thumbs up for this. And then from there I'm gonna work on the top. So I got these mirrors from Ikea, same like what I got last week that I put in my toilet. And then I just add the double-sided tape on the 4 end of the mirror, and then I just put it on top of the makeup table. You want to make sure that it sits right in line with it because you don't want to have any over edges. You just want to make sure that it sits and, you know, just smooth and nice. So patient is a virtue, as I said from last week. Patient. And I did this for the entire top. I wasn't able to fit all 4 mirrors, so what I did, I just went in with some mirror sheets, and it still looked nice, and I'm really happy that I've done it. And I just went around with my hot glue gun and these mirror strips that I got off Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box below just in case if you want to buy. I keep saying just in case. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's not that clear, but obviously you can see it is nice already, and I'm in love with it. So nice. So from here I want to attach back my light, so I'm just getting an idea as to where I need to put it. My mirror is there because I wanted to give me a guide as to how far, when I'm sitting down, how far it will stay. And as you can see, I've put it on and it looks nice. It's sitting nice and comfy already. And then here I'm just getting ready to put some decor. I got these poster frames from Poundland. They're £1 each, and I got 3, and I just measured out how I want them to sit over the light, and then just attach some double-sided tape and then just put them on. Smoothing it out. And then this is what it looks like after I was finished. And then here I'm just gonna go ahead with my furniture polish and then just start cleaning. By the way, furniture polish is not just to clean furniture. You can use it to clean basically anything. It's very good to clean mirrors and windows, streak free, and also it has a very good smell. I really like it. Personally, I like it. So if you want to try it, please go ahead and try it. It's really good. And then I just went ahead and cleaned my mirror. This mirror I got from a customer about 5 years ago, and I've always kept it here in my room. So yeah, As I said to you before, I'm just dusting. So these stuff that I had on my previous makeup tables, I'm not really sure where I want to put all of them, or even if I want to put them back on this new makeup table. So I'm just dusting off and then just go ahead. You will see further along the video I've actually speed it up just to kind of give you an idea of to how I am. As you can see, I just kind of put stuff out and just arrange, rearrange, and just try to get it into the place that best suits me. So if you want to you know, take your time, go around, check is good. Also guys, please let me know if you think the flowers looks better on this side. I'm not really sure if I like it on this side. So, but as I said to you, I was trying it out on other side. So please comment below, let me know what you think about the flowers on this side. While I was doing that, my mirror cracked. So definitely I'll have to change it tomorrow. But I have an extra one, so that's good. And then I got my clock from Wilko. It was £7. So I'll leave a link in the description box below just in case if you want to buy it. And I keep saying just in case. Yeah, and I got that pink lantern from Home Bargain and it was £5. £5.99, sorry. It was £5.99. I really like it as well, but I didn't use it because I didn't need it. And then again guys, look, I put the flowers on this side. Now this side I really like. The mirror and the clock and then the flower, it looks so nice. But then I checked the other side after and then it just looked naked, if that's a good word to use. But it just looked naked and I'm thinking, nah, I'm not really happy about it. But comment below, let me know what you think, this side or the other side. So I went ahead and just get my lantern or one of my lanterns and then just add it there. So please let me know guys in the comment box below, what would you put on this side, the lantern or the flowers, or would you have used the lantern, which is the case. But then this is what it looks like after I finished it, and I'm so much in love with it. I mean, the drawers are a bit wonky, but as I said to you before, it's my first time doing this and I'm really happy with the result that I've got. I will be working on it more and I will be showing you guys what I've done in future videos. So guys, please comment below and tell me what you think of the end result. I'm really loving it, but please let me know what you think. And this is another shot of it again. I'm so much in love with it. It's so nice. Guys, please comment below my video, like and share, and also subscribe if you haven't done so already. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye.